And Merry Christmas. It's another video on the fire alarm collection. I did one before, but I screwed up on it because I missed some alarms. So here we have the Rayonics AU2306. I coded this thing because it has lots of updates, and I'm going to open it right now because it's hard to open. Moving on to alarms. Here on my bed, we have a Purge 5050, also known as a Simplex. 425122 with the silver back. Some of these I'll be pulling, some of them I will not. And this thing, Firelight BG10 LX. Used to be adjustable, but that's been removed, so there's one wire right now. I cut the other one out. The Honeywell 60-1. Also known as a BG12L. Here's a AIP AI270 SBO. It's 425130. I'm gonna turn this into Kudu Pull Station one day because it does that. Anyway, here's a Notifier BNG1. Dang, I got this last Christmas. That's ow, ow. That hurts my hand. Anyway, here's a door for a BG12. Got some new alarms since it's Christmas. Anyway, here we have the AT5068S. Takes a Simplex B key. Here's a Simplex RMS2T, I think. That's all look in it. Simplex 2903 light plate with the just missing those things, whatever, that go across. The horn on it is the Wheelock EHE01. Used to be a bell on there, but I lost that thing too. Here's a Gentex SL6151RX. This thing can be taken off. This thing's a 30 candela strobe. It's a dang, I missed one. So, and let me start with this thing. So, here's a Wheelock CH70. Has a Siemens, it's basically a Siemens SEF HMC-R. Here's a Edwards Genesis. Has a cover with it. Look at the model numbers on the box. I have it now. It's a G1RF-HDVM horn strobe, and this thing has a cover because it's real loud. Yeah. Anyway, here's a two Siemens chevrons. These things are rebranded Faraday. It's a Chinese version. Here's a USA version that won't stay down. This thing does have a button. It's a HMS-M. This thing is the same. Anyway, we're gonna look at this thing. I already showed you these because I screwed up on some of it. This thing's a 30 candela strobe. The strobe is a RSV 24153075, and the cover plays at Amsco. SHP 24 153075. There's a 49.9. Used to be a 29.9, but it's converted to a 49.9. It used to be adjustable, but it's not. Moving on. This thing should be right here. Anyway, this thing's a. Dang it! I had to fall off and be lazy. This thing's a Edwards 270 SPO. This thing I got in a Christmas present. Here's a Edwards bell for, I don't know the number. Can't ring it because it's on my bed. some of these, like I said, some of these I won't be pulling because it's lost the key. Like this one right here, the CIMS2, looks like it has a head on. But when you lift it up, it looks like it's bald. There's a P2R and a P4R. This thing's a 1575 Candela, and this thing's a 115 Candela. The chime strobe's a 185 Candela. Right. Moving on over here, we got the Faraday 4050-211T. And another one which is 4050-001T. This thing is missing the pull down thing. I won't be pulling this one, but this thing right here is a Demco. I forgot the exact number. Here's an Edwards 270 SPO loco alarm version. Here's a Edwards GS 276B 1110. This thing takes a screw. This thing's a key lock, but the lift up handle also looks like it's wearing a hat. I won't be pulling this because I lost a key to it too. Anyway, here's a homemade alarm which I call the BG100, Firelight BG100. I used to think this thing was a panel. I made this in 2008. It's a keypad, so this top part's made out of metal. This bottom part's made out of wood. There's an Angel NS2D. It doesn't have a switch in it. There's a National Time 541S. The RSG. I already showed you those two. And another one, which is an easy button.
That was easy.
And last but not least, we have the phone right there. That's my Stratocaster. We have that phone right there. Yeah, I guess that's it.